Hello sewing buddies, Javier here, and today we are making these super quick, super awesome luggage tags which can be cut out using your Cricut without wasting any time, and they are super easy to make as well. You just need like 3 layers and you just put them together and sew them together. These are super quick to make and probably the best gift idea for literally anyone in the family, or you can even make them to sell at your craft shows as small priced items. I'm currently selling these at my store for a very small price of $20, and they're really nice and easy to gain customers, trust. You can just sell this small price item first and then pitch them your higher price item. So come and join me for this super quick tutorial. Okay, so for this tutorial you would be needing your magical Cricut Maker, some fabric glue or double-sided tape, whatever you have, some cork fabric, cork or vinyl. I'm trying to cut down on vinyl because it's not eco-friendly, and I'm trying to switch to just cork, which is also kind of like leather, but it's natural and super eco-friendly. So I'll be using that. And of course you would be needing your strong grip mat, which is this purple one. However, if your strong grip mat does not have a strong grip anymore, you're gonna need some masking tape or scotch tape to tape everything in place. Other than that, you would also be needing some clear plastic vinyl. Too bad there's no eco substitute for that at the moment available to me, so I'm just going to be using this clear plastic vinyl to make the front of the luggage tag. That's it. These are all the supplies you need, and of course you'd be needing a domestic or an industrial sewing machine. Whatever is available to you, that's totally fine. And if you're using a domestic sewing machine, you're also going to need a walk-in foot. This is what a walk-in foot looks like, and it makes sewing through thick layers very easy. So grab all your supplies and come, let's get started with this super quick, super easy tutorial. To cut out the luggage tag, first of all, go to Design Space, which is at design.cricut.com, and then click on New Project, then click on Upload from the left hand side, and then click on Upload Image. Here, upload the image that you downloaded from the free library for the simple luggage tag. So this is what you should have. Then just click on Save, select the image from here, and then click on Insert Images. So you will have this entire group of things ready to be cut. Now you also need to cut out a transparent vinyl, which should measure this window given over here. You can just do that manually after cutting out the window and using the window as the template. So once you're ready to cut, just click on Make It. Choose a larger mat size so that you can cut everything on one mat. So let me just rearrange this whole thing. I'm going to move this to the other mat. So there we have everything on one mat. Now I'm just going to click on Continue. I'm going to connect my machine, and then I'm going to select faux leather from here, and I'm going to increase the pressure to more because I'm cutting out cork, and then I'm just going to get this thing cut. Okay, so our mat is ready, and as you can see, everything is pretty side down. Now I'm just gonna load the mat inside and click on the Cricut button. Alright, so everything has been cut out and it's ready for sewing, so I just need to peel this whole thing off first. Alright, so now you should have all your pieces cut and ready. So we'll have front and back, and the window as well as the clear vinyl over here. It's transparent, so it's gonna be a bit hard to see. So what we're gonna do first is sew the transparent vinyl onto the window. So first we gotta glue them together. So apply glue on the window, backside of the window, and place the clear plastic vinyl on top of it. Now flip over and top stitch along the inner edge of the window over here. So you can either use a domestic sewing machine or you can use an industrial sewing machine. But if you're gonna use a domestic sewing machine, you would need a walk-in foot, which looks like this, or else it's gonna be really hard to sew through layers. Once you're done sewing, make sure that you leave behind long tails of thread, as you can see over here, and then take them to the back side and tie them together. Because if you leave the tail ends at the front, this can just come off when you snip the thread. So do that for both the thread tails that are sticking out. Okay, so the threads have been taken care of. Now all we gotta do is assemble all three pieces together. So first flip these two pieces to the wrong side, apply some glue, and you can also use double-sided tapes. They're much easier and you don't even have to wait for them to dry off. Now place the two body pieces wrong sides together, one on top of each other like this. Make sure that the edges are perfectly aligned. Next, we gotta pin this third piece of window on top because we cannot glue it. So we're just gonna hold it together using clover clips. Do not use pins if you're using vinyl or cork because it's just gonna leave holes and the holes cannot be fixed. Alright, so everything is layered up. Now all we gotta do is start sewing from this end and go all around and finish off over here. And I'm gonna use a seam allowance of 1/4 of an inch. And I'm gonna use a wide stitch length for this part. Alright, the luggage tag is all done, as you can see over here. Now for the attachment, you can just cut out a piece of cork or vinyl measuring 1/2 inch. So this is 1/2 inch in width and around 10 inch in length, and just put it inside the loop and tie a knot at the end, or you can use a ribbon. It's totally up to you. Just tie a knot like this and you'll be all done. And there you go. We have a nice luggage tag ready. Alright, that's it. Thanks so much for watching. Stay tuned for more tutorials, and once again, don't forget to get the free SVG file by signing up for the VIP list. The link is in the description below. Bye bye.